Hello everyone! This is my animation project featuring a Filipino outdoor game called Luksang Baka. In this animation, I created 4 characters inspired by me and my 3 friends. Each character represents our friendship, which adds a personal meaning to the project. To animate the characters, I use bones or rigging to control their movements, especially for walking, running, and jumping. I also used lines as a paths to guide the character's movement, allowing them to follow a smooth and controlled direction in the scene. For the environment, I designed a rural Filipino setting or bukid. I added elements such as a jeep, a bahay kubo, and a mango tree to create more natural and cultural appropriate environment. I also used HDR to improve the lighting and overall look of the scene. In this project, I applied several principles of animation. First is anticipation. Before the character runs and jumps, they prepare their body by bending and positioning themselves, which makes the action more realistic. Second is appeal. This can be seen the character's expressions, especially when the winner shows happiness and celebrates, making the animation more engaging. Third is arcs. This can be observed in the swinging motion of the character's arms while walking and running. Instead of moving in straight line, the arms follows a curved path, making the movement look more natural and realistic. After completing the animation, I added sound and voiceover to enhance the overall experience. Finally, I rendered the animation to produce the final output. Overall, this animation demonstrates the character movement, environment design, and the application of animation principles in a Filipino cultural setting. Thank you for watching.